European aircraft manufacturer Airbus started delivering A321neo aircraft, assembled at its final assembly line Asia facility in China's Tianjin Friday. The first China-assembled A321neo aircraft was delivered to Shanghai-based Juneyao Air. A321neo, the largest member of the A320neo family, can carry up to 244 passengers.
That first delivery of the A321 today marks another milestone in the more than 14 years history of Airbus Tianjin and the more than 30th year history of Airbus in China. Why? First of all, it demonstrates the maturity of the site, that we were capable to modify the line in a quick way and to adapt to be really ready to produce a new product. It underlines also our strong commitment to enhance the cooperation with the Chinese aviation industry. It gives us the possibility to serve the Chinese airlines with their rising demand on A321s, which is quite important. And beyond that, it supports our flexibility and agility to support Airbus' overall ramp-up plans. Airbus are very confident on the Chinese market and the continuous growth of the Chinese market. Why? Since we believe that China has a quite strong economy, which continues to grow. And economic growth also fuels the need for air travel, fuels the need of additional products in the aviation industry. China, in addition, has a strong plan to further extend civil aviation, for example, by boosting the setup of additional airports, and additional airports means new routes, means a higher demand of aircraft.